Today we're going to tackle an ACT punctuation question involving appositives. Here's the sentence. Benny realizes the value in journaling when he, like the journal entries, reflects on important memories. Now this version is actually the correct one, but let's walk through why it's right. First, look at the phrase, like the journal entries. That phrase is giving extra information about he, in this case, Benny. It's describing how he reflects. That makes it an appositive phrase, a phrase that renames or explains a noun right next to it. So now we ask, is this information essential or non-essential to the meaning of the sentence? Well, if we take it out, the sentence still makes sense. Benny realizes the value in journaling when he reflects on important memories. That's a complete sentence. So the phrase is non-essential and should be set off with commas. That's why we need a comma before and after the appositive phrase. Without both commas, the sentence becomes grammatically confusing. He, like the journal entries reflects, that makes it look like entries reflects is the subject and verb. So remember this rule from your ACT toolbox. Non-essential appositive should be surrounded with commas, and always test it by removing the appositive. If the sentence still works, your commas are likely correct. Let's lock in the final version. Benny realizes the value in journaling when he, comma, like the journal entries, comma, reflects on important memories. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.